Welcome back to the Zen, bitches.
You counting 6 or 7?
Hello, Devin.
Welcome.
Well, so tonight's video, I guess, we're gonna be timing the motor. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
6. We're going with 6.
We're going with 6.
Yep.
Okay.
6. But
timing the motor has always scared the shit out of me.
center. All right. So this.
Well, should we get the idler sprocket on?
Yeah. Well, I want to get the
Cams
chains.
set first.
I want to get the chains first.
Because the head and everything is on, so we're first gonna set the cam, and then after we get these set.
Turn this one that way.
Okay, so here.
Actually, that's pretty.
So once we get these set, we'll start getting it all hooked together. So I'm gonna.
It's loosened.
Well, yeah, you're going the wrong way.
So yeah, I gotta go that way. That sucks. Is that an Allen? Nope, it's not. Okay.
You could take a fucking adjustable wrench and.
No, that works. Yeah, there's
Here.
not much tension on there. It's like if you got. Oh, you have a crescent wrench.
Yeah, I have. Sure, is that the right name for it? Is that what that's called? The crescent wrench?
Yes.
Oh, I call
Or
them.
a monkey wrench.
I call them adjustable.
That's a crescent wrench.
I know. I had some guy at my work come in, some old guy, and he was like, "You made a crescent wrench?" I'm like, "Sure." The thing that fucking spins and you make it a different size? Yes. So I'm trying to talk and explain stuff, but you guys kind of get the idea what's going on. I'm gonna just set up my tripod, and we'll just do some time lapsing stuff because him and I both have to work. I mean, dude, you got me fucking.
You're telling me.
Keaton, I've never fucking been this stressed before in my life.
Bro, it's an aluminum head. That's why I'm just like, bro, I don't know all about this.
Yeah, you feel the struggle.
Pull it all the way out and
No.
look at it. Okay.
It was really bad.
So that is a bad sign right there.
Did it bend in your pocket or something?
I don't know. I just
The fact that that's not coming out right now.
Doing backflips.
No.
See? I fucking
He said
knew it.
no.
I fucking told
I
you.
was like, why is my super key bent?
It's exactly why I was saying that's no way that's fucking 55 pounds. Because look, it pulled threads. I fucking knew it.
So now we gotta retap it.
Yep. I fucking... See? This is why I don't trust those motherfucking things. It's the exact reason right there.
Those threads clean out.
It was set to the fucking torque.
Whoops.
He's just sitting there screwing the threads back on. He's like, fuck!
You put it...
Well, that's not fucking good.
No, see? That's why I was nervous. That's the exact reason why I was like, bro, I don't fucking think so.
Alright, so we have the right tools now. I don't know if I showed this at all yet, but we have the, I got manual focus on, there we go. We have the drill bit for the hilly coils, or hilly coil, we don't need multiple. Keaton is mocking it up so he doesn't accidentally drill through my head because it is aluminum.
Fuck yeah, it is.
Fuck. And then there's the tap somewhere over here. Where? Oh, it's right there. Look at that. There's the tap. There's the hilly coil kit. Yeah. Hopefully this works out because I really don't fucking know, dude.
It will work. Don't you fucking...
I'm stressing. And then we gotta, we have to shave down the bolt too, right?
I hate this shit, bro. You're fucking crazy. Dude. See, look how much better that is. Oh god.
More grease.
I need to get all that shit out of there.
Alright, Keaton got it done. Nerve-wracking. I was nervous just watching.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to recoat that.
That's fine. This doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It's that coating's just for safe measure.
Clean this off and take a close-up of it.
That's nice and clean.
Alright, so we got a ratchet. Perfect.
Yeah, where? Is the question. What size will fit on that? A 10 millimeter?
You need your eyes. Oh, great.
What?
Oh, the motor's just moving. There we go. Nice.
That's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Got the slaps playing. Some nice little elevator music going on. I think it's actually Hotline Miami, like one of the main songs, like one of the dungeon songs. Sing song, con. So that's about as far as we've gone. Wait, where? Put your finger there, right about there, and we need to go there. Mm-hmm. I wasn't really in focus, but I hope you guys saw the idea.
Oh no, it's actually really close.
I was just saying, dude, it's fucking.
Oh, no, it's because look, we got this much gap. So now subtract that much gap, which is like.
Oh
this
shit,
much.
that's right.
Remember? Yeah.
Hey, the fuck you think you're going?
Ooh, there's one, but I can't tell if it's straight.
It looks straight to me.
Oh, it is straight. Wait.
It is? Oh no, that's straight. Yeah, you're good. Just a rough patch.
I don't know. It's really hard to fucking tell. I know it snaps. Oh! What? Are you fucking kidding me?
You gotta be shitting me. You snapped the wrong thing, bud.
That's some bullshit. What is this cheap Chinese shit?
I don't know. That tool was $60 though.
Take it back and be like, yo, this thing's jank.
I'm gonna warranty replace it now. Look at them threads. Oh shit, I gotta back up a little bit. There we go. God damn.
Very good.
Yeah, Keaton's the man. I did not trust myself doing this shit by myself. This was fucking sketch.
See how much better my phone is.
My fucking camera is $3,000. You're high.
I know. You're high. My phone was 12.
Yeah, but that looks good. When I stop shaking and we can actually focus in on it. Nice. Alright. Idler sprocket, let's mock that bitch up. So, the only other bolt I could find that is gonna be the same. It literally, yeah, you're right, dude. It literally only had to be like
A quarter
a
inch.
quarter
longer.
inch, yeah. So we're gonna have to cut a little bit off up here, so we have the nut on to stop it from the grinder, so it's straight down.
Tell them about the problem with this bolt and why we're
This
having
bolt only catches Nissan's OEM bullshit only catches 3 or 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally to the edge of my finger. So we're adding on.
A little bit more.
We're adding on another quarter inch, so it's a ½ inch instead of just roughly a quarter inch.
Yeah,
But the bolt that he grabbed is a little bit longer.
that's all right.
Wait, see?
Money.
That hasn't cut yet. I might need to round it off.
All right, so we got the bolt situated. Cut it up a little bit. Cut a little bit off. Actually, we actually did cut quite a bit off, huh? Like 6 threads. Yeah. So it's a little bit different, but or a little bit more than we wanted to. But we got it now. Now we're just cleaning up the parts, and we're gonna put the timing and everything back on and torque it down.
Look how clean it is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The SD card on my camera got full, but yeah, it's done. Timing. I'm letting the gasket maker that's out of focus dry up and seal and everything. So in the meantime, I'm gonna actually go ahead and clean. Focus my oil pan over there, and then I'll come back to this. Have it bolted on just hand tight. And I don't go crazy with gasket maker, but it should be good. I see that it's sealed all the way around. You really don't need to go crazy with this. But anyways, yeah, because I gotta compress this in more to get the rest of these bolts on, just so it can move forward. I'm gonna tap it with a little hammer. While that's going, I'm gonna finish cleaning that up. Can't hold my camera and do it at the same time. But yeah, almost done for the night. I'm gonna at least get the top end and everything put together before I start putting on the exhaust and everything else. Be ready to be dropped in this weekend, as long as my new clutch disc comes in on time. So it took me a little bit longer than expected, just because a lot of this is gasket maker, and the proper way to do it is to let it dry before you torque everything down. So you do like everything hand tight, and then after it dries, then you squish it by torquing it. But yeah, it's all done. The head's on, timed. You can't really see, like, you know, inside the motor, but here you can see where these are supposed to be. This is the important part, and then the chain links. Anyways, it's set, it's good. Oil pan's on, distributor ignition timing is set. I think because of it being a turbo and an RS ECU, it says 20 degrees for base timing. I think, if I remember correctly, that's what this is the base timing for these motors are 20 degrees. So I think it's set. I think it's good. Don't know though. Won't know until afterwards. Anyways, the rest of it is just putting the intake manifold and the motor mounts, the alternator, stuff like that. All the little shit that I probably will do off camera, and then just have the next video of it being dropped in, trying to start it, figuring out more problems if there is any, but hopefully there isn't any, and it just starts and we're fine. We have come to the last part of assembling this motor. So with that, I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you guys aren't following Living the Drift Life on Facebook, you totally should. We have a ton of stickers, t-shirts, and a bunch of other stuff coming out. The admins, including myself, have been working a lot to make stuff happen when we can. And of course, thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'll see you guys all later. Bye.